Look at me, man. Who'd think this is mid-June? Fully waterproofed up. Absolute piss take. And that is the one with the shit bolt, I think. Oh, mate. These are really bollocks. Absolute bollocks. Pissing down the rain. Stupid starter motor bolt the wrong way. Oh. Fucking hell. Yeah. Oof.
Let's get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master. Oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master. No one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master. No one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it. Let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the tray. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain in the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground, spell out my name. Bolt by bolt, I rewrite fate.
Yo, right. Whoa, bloody old tire, man. Been up early. Again. Well, I'll get up early anyway, but it just drives me mad. So, I've just done a Nissan Note in Walton-on-Thames. It's like southwest London-ish. Surrey. That's it, Surrey. Yeah, I've done that. Well, I smashed that out. It's only 9:30. That one's all done anyway. Now I'm going to Crawley, do a Qashqai, clutch and flywheel. Customer's got parts because my supplier couldn't get the flywheel. Well, they could, but it didn't turn up in time. So, customer, he sourced the right parts. I'll give him the part number, so that's all good. So I'm going to go and smash that out. We'll do that one. Not too far. 47 minutes, 37 miles. Then after that, I've got a Seat Ibiza in Hastings. That's about another hour and a half drive away. Fucking hell. But anyway, let's get to it.
Left, right, twitch like a snake on gravel. Old school code on a cracked up gavel. 1-2 shift, hear the rubber confess. Every down chain is a pound in the chest. Hazard like Halo, parked up villain. Half of them talking, we're out here drilling. Crates in the boot, gold dust spinning. From the first drop, whole block start grinning. Pull it, pull it. Youngless behavior. Yes, boy. Hands up high for the danger. Rev that soul, get braver. Wheel it back, one more flavor. Youngless behavior. Baseline sharp like a razor. Skid marks, scribe my prayer. If you know, then you know what we came for. Who's that lurking deep in the fog?
Yo, mate. Right, anyway, that's the old girl there, absolute pissing it down. Clutch and flywheel on this one. Right, so where it is. Lovely. I've got waterproofs in my van though, but didn't wear my boots though. I wore my trainers. My boots are waterproof. They are not. Lovely. I just hope with this it's a 1.6. Just hope it's not the one with that fucking start mate bolt the other way, because it fucking take forever to get them out. Pain in the arse. But we'll soon see. I'm not feeding this at all, man. I'm not even joking. Really ain't feeding it. It's absolute pissing it. Pissing it like a motherfucker. Right, anyway, I'll sort some tools out. We'll get back. Look at me, man. Who'd think this is mid-June? Fully waterproofed up. Absolute piss take. And that is the one with the shit bolt, I think. Oh, mate. These are really easy until you get that gearbox and that shit bolt and it just turns into an absolute fucking ball ache. There's plenty of room to put the starter motor bolt the normal way from the front. But no, that was a fantastic idea of putting it from the rear at the top. Oh, you can just about get on it with a ratchet spanner. It takes fucking ages to undo it. But what I did last time, I don't think anyone would do it because only I think of things like this. What I did last time, so when the gearbox was out, the bottom of the, say the stud that comes into the gearbox, so when the gearbox is out, just hold the bolt still, cut a little flat end screwdriver line in it, then when you put it up, you hold the the bolt with your finger, you can just use the flat end and wind it in, and you've only got to nip it up. Just don't know why they don't do that by factory. It'd make life so much easier, but there you go, innit? Bloody engineers, the most cleverest and thickest people in the world. Alright, sort my monstrosity out of cable-tied batteries. Oh, mate. Even winter, I don't mind the rain, because it is what it is. It's winter, but when you're halfway through June, and it's fucking raining, it's a bit soul destroying. You get me, right? Then two. Ratchet. Right, what do we need on this then? So we're going to need 10, 13, 16. We'll go 18. Extension. Wobbly. Ratchet. Another extension. Little flattened screwdriver. Normal screwdriver. Ratchet 13. Ratchet 16. I'll do that with that. Wheel bolts should be 21 unless they've changed it. 17 on this one. Yeah, and these ones as well. The lower arms just do not come out of the ball joints. Wait, please be the bolt on shock one. Bolt on shock? No, it won't be, will it? Oh, this one's complete cunt, I tell you. Yeah. So the lower arms, they never come out of the ball joint. The way you take them off, you've got to bolt the lower arm and then bang it out. Stupid. Right, so I want 21 for that, 18 for that, or 32. 18, 21 spanner, hammer, oh yeah, square, drift, chisel. Well, I think that'll do for now anyway. I think that will do. Beautiful. Just stop raining, man. It don't look too dark up there, that's the thing. There's bright patches everywhere, but it seems to be where I am. I'm getting all the bloody rain. Right, anyway. My card in. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Alright, 10. 10. Let's do this one here. Right. Battery clamp. Alright. Yeah. Right. Get them out. Right. All that, lift it up. Right. Pop this out. Can't see how the camera's at a right angle. Can't see it, my head's in the way. Need my long nose. Okay, now it's time. Alright, undo this. Gearbox out. Do 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 do. It's the one with the fucking starting bolt the wrong way, you prick. Three plugs here. Right. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Lots of tens. Tens everywhere. Come on. 1, 2. One, two, three. Always put the ECU inside. You know, it's safe. Whoa, pardon me. More tens. Thirteens in out. This ring me. Just someone I don't want to speak to. Oh no, no, I need to speak to this man. Hello? Right. Right, yeah, thought so. Sticker it, baby. Nah. Probably. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sweet, bro. Yeah, just sticker it up, man. Put as many as you can on it. They work wonders, mate. My Range Rover ain't gone down, nor is my fucking van, so it works. Sticker it, baby. See you later. Yeah, boy. Bye bye. Right, so that. Oh, what's my fucking. I just can't look at my pin number. Show my unlock code on the phone. Fuck that. Oh man, it's gone off again, dickhead. Come on, play. That's it. Little peep show, as usual. Listened to that about 20 times, I'm joking. Easy listening, it's funny. Right. Shit, man, you motherfucker. Right there, isn't it? You banjoed. Daddy Maria. Right, you can come out, little thing. It's a piss take this is, man. Well, let's go. gear linkage off. Pop. Pop. What's the chance of this coming up? Bloody hell, it did. Jesus, I don't usually do that. Blimey. Okay. Baby, never gonna be this way. Right. Let's release this little bit off. Little clip here, get out of the way. Beep. This is everything's just shit with this, look. Right, let's get a 13 out there. Nice. Weather's calming down a little bit, that's a positive. We want 18. Yeah, I'm sure these are 18, these bolts. Where's the 18? Here's the 18. That one out. Alright. Yeah, 100% is definitely starter bolt that goes the wrong way. It's fucking. Oh, it's giving me the right arm now. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, it takes ages, mate. Sometimes that bolt takes like half an hour to get off. I'm joking. Fuck. And it's wet as well. It's just, mate. Right, anyway, let's get it up. Apart from that bolt, these are just an absolute piece of piss to do. It's so easy. It's just that bolt, man. You have to crack in and get in there with like a short reach wobbly ratchet spanner. Bollocks. Right, anyway, let's get it up in the air. Ay. 17s. Oh, God. Right, split pin 32. 32, 32. Right, what are these? I think their ball joints should be 18s, yeah. 18 and 18? Yeah, right. Bloody hell, man, it's terrible weather. Terrible weather. I wonder if that ball joint might come out because it's new. Because the old ones that are rusty, they never come out. You have to take the whole lower arm off. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Thing with these, because they've got a stupid electric key for the steering lock, I always take off the trap rods as well. So you can turn the steering. Yeah. Yeah. This is bollocks, man. Right, big bar. Oh, fucking rain, man, it's a joke. Absolute joke. Haha. Oh, that's handy. It's because they're new. Hopefully the other side's new as well. Nah. Wouldn't be that easy, would it? Right, I'll do the other side and we'll get underneath. Right, took the cover out. Look how wet it is, man. Fuck this. Usually in winter I've got my heater, ain't I? So, got a heater, that's fine because it dries everything out. It keeps your area dry. Right, 21s on these two out. That one I had to take out, look. Stuck in the ball joint. So what you do, you bang that out while it's off, clean it up, and you bolt up the lower arm and then put it in as normal. Stupid, mate. I'll get everything unbolted apart from that one bolt. I won't bother recording that because you ain't going to see shit. All I'm going to do is be swearing. Got the hump. It takes ages, mate. Alright, I can stay out. Where'd that go? Where'd that disappear? Oh, down there. Alright. 2 18s at the bottom here. This all comes off. Bloody hell, man. Alright, grab me ratchet spanners, lift them in the back. Alright, 18, 18, 13. Lovely and wet. Love it. Lovely, lovely, jubbly. Load of 18s around here. Bottom starter motor bolt. One bell housing bolt. Jesus. Oh, God. Right. So I don't need that just yet. You go over there. Alright, make a bit of. Tidy some shit up. Thank God the next one I've got is like hour and a half to drive from here, but it's the Seat one I started taking apart the other day, but I couldn't find the lock and wheel nut key, but I found it, so easy peasy. And I'm going to go find the nearest restaurant, get myself a nice bit of steak and a beer, I think. Why not? Why not? Alright, get this arch out. Bum 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 bum. Raining men. Fucking hell, is it? Pissing it is what it is. Alright. Shaft out. For you. Right, this is how much of a fucking dick this fucking bolt is, yeah? Right, bottom one's there. The top one is right up there, facing the wrong way. Now work that out. It's literally above that. So the bottom one's there. The next one is right at the top, coming from the other way. And look up there. Bollocks. Absolute bollocks. Oh. Bollocks. Absolute bollocks. Pissing down the rain. Stupid starter motor bolt the wrong way. Oh. Fucking hell. Yeah. Alright, these are stupid design as well, because you can undo that as much as you like them to. That drive shaft. Oh, man, that's a new drive shaft. Is that new? Hang on a minute. Oh, hang on a minute. Usually it gets seized in there. That looks quite new. Oh, maybe lucky. Maybe lucky. Oh, we'll see. Alright, let's have a try. Let's do this back up. No, because usually you've got to take the whole bracket out. Ugh. Yeah, you've got to unbolt it all off and knock it out. But that drive shaft don't look old at all. So hopefully I'll take the bracket out and hopefully that will come out. Right, 2 13s anyway. Ugh. Where's my 13s? Up top, I think, isn't it? Right, let me go and get 13 quick. Right, there's 2 bolts, one at the top, but hopefully that will come out. Drive shaft looks new. Yeah, because when you have to take them out, you've got to hammer the fucking that alley casing off to get the shaft out, and it does leave load of like hammer marks in it. And then all I'll do is I'll just get me grinder and I'll just my flappy wheel and smooth it all off all nice. But yeah, mate, they get so solid on them. Ugh. Alright, I can't see anything. Where's the bolt? There you are, there. Right. That. Right, let's see if this will actually move. Where's the chisel? Please move. Please move. Please move. Please move. Ugh. For fuck's sake. Yes, yes. Thank God someone else has put a new shaft in there and cleaned it all up. Look at that. Oh, I love you. Oh, that saved about 20 minutes. Just that coming out like that. The amount of time you've got to take, because the shaft won't just come out. With a bracket on its own, because you've got casing, you've got what you call it, block casing in the way. So to get that out, you've got to loosen the gearbox off first, wobble it, and then oh yeah, it's a ball ache. That's cheered me up. Right, there's one more bolt up the back there. No, line's two up there. And bellows and bolts on this thing. Right, I'm going to get them to that. Then I'm going to cut. And so I'll get them start bolts out the top, because that is absolutely soul destroying. It's absolutely soul destroying, that bolt. Yeah. The start motor bolts are 18 as well, by the way. Oops. Right. Right, I'm going to leave that bottom start bolt in, because if you release that first, then you undo the top, then the starter drops, and it just makes it even awkwarder. Right, still pissing down that. Lovely, 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 jubbly. Right, let me piss around with this, man. I'll be back. Oh, mate, this top bolt's pig. I'm on it anyway. I've cracked it. Crack it with just a normal 18mm spanner, and you get a stubby ratchet spanner. I don't think you can see properly, it's light and shit. It's only a couple of clicks at a time, but that's it. I'll piss around with this thing, and then once I've done that, we'll cut to letterboxing it. Alright, sweet. Oh, bloody hell, this is bollocks. This is absolutely soaked. This is bollocks. If I had my heater, I wouldn't care. I ain't got my heater. I'm bloody damp, chilly. Right. A couple of turns on this start my bolt maybe. No. You've got loads of room when you letterbox it anyway. I keep coming up. Tons of room, look at that. Put my fucking head in there. Right, let me swap all this shit over. Getting too old for this shit, man, I'm telling you. Look at it. Pin it. Right, let me get all this bollocks off. I'll show you what I'll do as well, because if... No, I think... let me check the flow. No, this is petrol. I think this flywheel's only going one way. Diesel's going 6 ways. Right, sweet. I'll be back, mate. There. Should we turn it clockwise because it's timing chain? Anti-clockwise could possibly make you jump the chain and tensioner. Bloody, oh fuck me when I throw that bolt. There, come back, you prick. Ah. He's always have 9 bolts on these. Two 40s as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a do. Hey, let's get the fucking right position. Right. So. Let's turn it. Right, what I like to do, so get me in the right position, man. Right. So the LUK sign there, because it's got exactly the same flywheel. What I like to tend to do is just mark here where the LUK badge. See, it's in line with that badge there. LUK badge. Then that way, if the bolts are offset and you put the flywheel up, it just goes straight up first time. You ain't got no pissing around and wondering if you're in the right position or not. That's the way I'll do it. All these talks. Right, let me get it swapped over and we'll come back. Right, that's what I'll do, that top start bolt. Because these, mate, just this one bolt just turns the job into an absolute fucking nightmare. See, I've cut a slot in it. Yeah, so then what you do, once you push the bolt through, you hold it with your finger, you put that through the bell housing and just anti-clockwise it. Get that way. Anti-clockwise it. Straight in. I'll finish off making it wider, but that's what you do. Right, that's everything swapped over. Man, this is taking long, mate. Long. Been here over 2 hours already. Jesus. That one bolt just causes a fucking mayhem, mate. Right, let's get it in. Well, here we go. We'll get around pipes, hoses, fucking wiring loom and a bracket. Alright. That was lucky. 10mm sockets fucking in there. I'm putting that on the gearbox. Alright, get that started. Go on. Alright, come down a little bit. Up a bit. Oh, because of that one bolt, I'm probably going to stop doing this, because I can bang out a diesel 1 hour and a half, you know what I mean? Only 1.6, old 1.6, but then these things, because that fucking bolt, it's not worth doing it. I've got so many other clutches I can get on with. I don't waste my time with these. Right, let's have a little look up top. Alright, it's all out of the way. Right, let me box this up, you know the drill, and I'll come back. So what you do, when you've cut that line, you push the bolt from behind to get it started, and just put your flat end in there. And that should yeah, I've got it started anyway. So say, can I see the fucker? I've got it started or not, I don't know. Yeah, I have. Yeah. Then obviously anti-clockwise this end, draw the bolt through. Come on. So long the bolt as well, that's the problem. Is that coming through or not? I don't know, I can't see anything. Oh, I can't fucking see. Yeah, get another angle. It's put me out up my fields. The bolt going in, or am I imagining shit? No. Nope, ain't going in. Right. Oh, try and hold it. I need to hold it, I'm saying. So, my finger. Alright, let's try extension. It's just everything about it, this, because of that one bolt, it's just not worth the ag, man. It's just not worth the ag. Oh, where's the fucking bolt? I can't find a bolt. I can't get my hands on it. Go on, in you get. Don't usually lose patience with a motor, but I tell you what, I'm a fucking idiot. There's enough room to put the thread the other side. Do you know what I mean? Right. Yeah. Right, let me get a fat screwdriver. But anyway, you know, that's what you've got to do anyway. Let me get a better screwdriver. Right, fucking thing this is. All's going in. All the bottom's done. All bolted up. I can put the bottom cover on. This has been absolute pig. That one bolt just... Man, stupid. So this is going on my fuck off list. I ain't doing these no more. Not worth it. I've got my first clutch done in South West London, done by 9 o'clock. Drove here for now, I've been here 3 hours, it's now 2 o'clock. No, yeah, I left there at about 9:15. It was an hour to get here, I stopped down a bit of food at Burger King. So I started this at 11, it's now 2. 11, 12, what, that's well, yeah, 12, 1, 3 hours, mate. Over 3 hours, it's probably gone 2 o'clock now. Fucking joke, mate. Absolute piss take. But yeah, so this will be the last ever 1.6 Qashqai, the little newer engine, turbo, you'll ever see on my bloody channel, mate. I ain't doing this again. It's not worth it. I've got clutches queuing up. I'm booked up for the next like 2.5 bloody weeks, you know what I mean? But anyway, let me get this top bit done, it's nearly done. Just putting the oil in, it's just battery tray and all that. And then we'll cut to starting it up. Sweet. Nah, man. Why this mic working? Anyway, fucking Qashqai officially done. I am not doing these again. It's just not worth my time. Right, anyway, first gear. That's bias, lovely. First gear. Reverse. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, man, these are just not worth my time. So time consuming, it's ridiculous. Shit, they're definitely on. I'm covered in shit as well. Fuck me. Anyway, yeah, they're on my fuck off list, mate. These ain't not worth it. I've got clutches waiting to be done for the next 3 weeks, all booked up. Do not need to be stressing myself out on these ones, but you got to do these shit ones and then do the shit ones again and then do the shit ones again for the third time to realise I ain't doing that shit one again. So yeah, I've got a big list of motors I don't do. All 4x4s don't do anymore. Audi A4, Audi A4s, 5.6s up after like a 9, don't do them, they're just too awkward to do on the floor. Yeah, I've got a big fuck off list because there's no point laying out 5-6 hours doing the clutch. Bloody hell, I can get 3 or 4 done in that time. But anyway, alright, enough whinging. I'm wet, I'm damp, I'm pissed off, I'm fucking well behind. I've got an hour-and-a-half drive. It's like 3 o'clock or something stupid. This has took me like best part of 3.5 hours, 4 hours to do this thing. Insane, bruv, absolutely insane. But yeah, now I've got an hour-and-a-half drive to Hastings. I've got to do a little sit. I started the other day. They couldn't find looking up, but they found it. So anyway, till next time, people, have a good one.
Clutch master sings.